careful, you and that guy always say words that can kill people like a gun. So let's fill them with words of love. You can't take your money and possessions to the afterlife. So cherish your friends now. No one knows what will happen when we die. I hope we can live in a world with a few more smiles. Wars, riots, arson, all sorts of things are happening in the world every day, but there are only peaceful people. I hope everyone can be happy in our world. For now you've got to be careful, disappear from my sight. Don't point your gun at me, you're no match for me. I'm ready to shoot you. You're a twisted hypocrite, and you'll never be happy in this world. War, riots, human trafficking. There's so much going on in the world right now, but so many people don't realize it. I hope our world is filled with love. I'm just singing for myself because I want to die. I'm singing for those who just wanna die, that you're not the only one. For now, let's ignore the annoying people and pray for peace today. We're all gonna die someday anyway, so let's live happily. The girl I hate seems to like charity work. I'm singing about reality, singing about reality, while looking at the money corrupting people. So stop pointing your gun at me, you can't beat me.